Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we'll write a program that works like a menu-driven calculator. Menu-driven program is supposed to be a program that displays multiple options to user and inputs one of the option. Then according to user's option, it performs one of the actions. Now in this case, we'll be writing a program that works like a basic calculator with options addition or multiplication or division or subtraction. How the program is going to work in this case is, first, program displays options to user as add, subtract, multiply, divide. Then it inputs two numbers from user to be operated. Then according to options selected by user, it either does addition of numbers or subtraction of numbers or division of numbers or multiplication of numbers. Let's see the program over here. We'll start with normal #include commands, then main. Then we'll define two variables a and b to input two numbers. Then we'll define one int variable to input the option, because option is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the program is supposed to display the four options to user as 1 for add, 2 for subtract, 3 for multiply and 4 for divide. Then the program is supposed to go forward and input the option from user, that is in opt variable. Then the program is supposed to input two numbers to be operated from user, that is a and b will be input by next scanf. Then according to option selected over here, is going to perform one of the actions on this a and b. So it will be either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Now here, if the option selected is 1, then you have to do addition. If the option selected is 2, then subtraction. If it is 3, then multiply. If it is 4, then divide. So that part is done using switch case. We can write same program with if else also, but we cannot do this with switch case. Now in exam, if it is not asked how to solve it, commonly a menu-driven program is written with switch case. So we'll be writing over here this program with a switch case. So program will proceed further with switch case statement. It's like if option is 1, then perform addition. If option is 2, then perform subtraction. If option is 3, then perform multiply. Else option is 4, then perform division. So now according to inputs done by user will get one of the outputs. Now if option is none of these, that is if it is not 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we can display one more kind of output. Is we can use default statement to display printf invalid option. That is, this will work if the option is not 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now how the overall program is going to work. Let's see the output. Now this is like a computer screen, part of a computer screen. As the program start, variables will be defined. Then this part will display these options to the user as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next message printf will display enter your option, and then scanf will wait for the input as option. Suppose the input was 3, it means user want to perform multiplication. Then next printf will give a message enter two numbers. Suppose the input numbers were 5 and 3, for example. So a and b are 5 and 3. Option is 3. Now program will check for is option equal to 1, false. Is option equal to 2, false. Option equal to 3, yes. So this part of case will work. That is, will print the product as a into b. So the output will be shown as product is equal to 15, and the program will stop. So writing this way, printf commands to display multiple options is menu-driven program, where it inputs one of the option, and according to the value given as option, it performs one of the actions. Thank you.